Welcome back to my channel. Each sentence will be voiced by two voice actors. The first will be at normal speed, the second will be slower. If you do not understand the sentences, turn on the subtitles in your language. Let's start.
That's too expensive.
That's too expensive.
I only have $5.
I only have $5.
Sorry, we don't have any.
Sorry, we don't have any.
There's plenty of time.
There's plenty of time.
What did you do last night?
What did you do last night?
Turn around.
Turn around.
I don't care.
I don't care.
What's the charge per night?
What's the charge per night?
Were you at the library last night?
Were you at the library last night?
Is there air conditioning in the room?
Is there air conditioning in the room?
I'd like to send this to America.
I'd like to send this to America.
Who taught you that?
Who taught you that?
I have to wash my clothes.
I have to wash my clothes.
Can we have a menu, please?
Can we have a menu, please?
Now or later?
Now or later?
I'd like to go home.
I'd like to go home.
I don't have any money.
I don't have any money.
I don't have enough money.
I don't have enough money.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'd like to eat at 5th Street Restaurant.
I'd like to eat at 5th Street Restaurant.
How about Saturday?
How about Saturday?
What's this?
What's this?
The whole day.
The whole day.
He's coming soon.
He's coming soon.
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine, and you?
The roads are slippery.
The roads are slippery.
Anything else?
Anything else?
Where is he?
Where is he?
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
I have a lot of things to do.
I have a lot of things to do.
I'm happy.
I'm happy.
That's enough.
That's enough.
The cars are American.
The cars are American.
I'm not ready yet.
I'm not ready yet.
When is your birthday?
When is your birthday?
We're late.
We're late.
Every day I get up at 6 a.m.
Every day I get up at 6 a.m.
When will he be back?
When will he be back?
Do you know how much it costs?
Do you know how much it costs?
Where's the mailbox?
Where's the mailbox?
It's near the supermarket.
It's near the supermarket.
Would you like to have dinner with me?
Would you like to have dinner with me?
I wish I had one.
I wish I had one.
How do you know?
How do you know?
I've been there.
I've been there.
What do you do for work?
What do you do for work?
As soon as possible.
As soon as possible.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment. You can write your suggestions and requests in the comments. Let's continue. I think you have too many clothes.
I think you have too many clothes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Everything is ready.
Everything is ready.
That's not right.
That's not right.
Please speak English.
Please speak English.
Turn left.
Turn left.
My birthday is August 27th.
My birthday is August 27th.
He'll be back in 20 minutes.
He'll be back in 20 minutes.
Let's go have a look.
Let's go have a look.
Do you have this in size 11?
Do you have this in size 11?
What time did you wake up?
What time did you wake up?
Do you think it's going to rain tomorrow?
Do you think it's going to rain tomorrow?
I'll take it.
I'll take it.
It's far from here.
It's far from here.
How do I get to the American Embassy?
How do I get to the American Embassy?
How long are you going to stay in California?
How long are you going to stay in California?
When does he arrive?
When does he arrive?
Call the police.
Call the police.
What does your father do for work?
What does your father do for work?
I got in an accident.
I got in an accident.
Everyone knows it.
Everyone knows it.
Who is that?
Who is that?
I feel good.
I feel good.
I don't know how to use it.
I don't know how to use it.
I've already seen it.
I've already seen it.
The book is behind the table.
The book is behind the table.
They're the same.
They're the same.
How do you say it in English?
How do you say it in English?
We'll have 2 glasses of water, please.
We'll have 2 glasses of water, please.
Where's the nearest hospital?
Where's the nearest hospital?
I think it's very good.
I think it's very good.
When does the bank open?
When does the bank open?
Thanks for everything.
Thanks for everything.
Over there.
Over there.
Can you carry this for me?
Can you carry this for me?
Do you know where there's a store that sells towels?
Do you know where there's a store that sells towels?
Please take me to this address.
Please take me to this address.
Where do you want to go?
Where do you want to go?
How much are these earrings?
How much are these earrings?
Do you want me to come and pick you up?
Do you want me to come and pick you up?
What time does the store open?
What time does the store open?
Are you working today?
Are you working today?
I don't want to bother you.
I don't want to bother you.
Try it on.
Try it on.
Is there any mail for me?
Is there any mail for me?
Can you swim?
Can you swim?
There's a restaurant over there, but I don't think it's very good.
There's a restaurant over there, but I don't think it's very good.
Do you have the number for a taxi?
Do you have the number for a taxi?
My cell phone doesn't work.
My cell phone doesn't work.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment. You can write your suggestions and requests in the comments. Let's continue. I'm thirsty.
I'm thirsty.
What school did you go to?
What school did you go to?
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Where were you?
Where were you?
Do you play basketball?
Do you play basketball?
I think I need to see a doctor.
I think I need to see a doctor.
I'll give you a call.
I'll give you a call.
What should I wear?
What should I wear?
Do you have a pencil?
Do you have a pencil?
Do you sell batteries?
Do you sell batteries?
Let's go.
Let's go.
I understand now.
I understand now.
How long will you be staying?
How long will you be staying?
I haven't been there.
I haven't been there.
Are you afraid?
Are you afraid?
He's in the kitchen.
He's in the kitchen.
When do you get off work?
When do you get off work?
May I speak to Mrs. Smith, please?
May I speak to Mrs. Smith, please?
Are you here alone?
Are you here alone?
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
I'll come back later.
I'll come back later.
What would you like to eat?
What would you like to eat?
You look like my sister.
You look like my sister.
Has your brother been to California?
Has your brother been to California?
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
That means friend.
That means friend.
She's older than me.
She's older than me.
Expiration date.
Expiration date.
How does it taste?
How does it taste?
When do you arrive in the U.S.?
When do you arrive in the U.S.?
Would you ask him to call me back, please?
Would you ask him to call me back, please?
You're beautiful.
You're beautiful.
Do you have an appointment?
Do you have an appointment?
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Can you call back later?
Can you call back later?
I'm getting ready to go out.
I'm getting ready to go out.
If you like it, I can buy more.
If you like it, I can buy more.
I'd like a room.
I'd like a room.
Excuse me, what did you say?
Excuse me, what did you say?
There's a book under the table.
There's a book under the table.
Can you throw that away for me?
Can you throw that away for me?
Did you get my email?
Did you get my email?
How tall are you?
How tall are you?
I'm 32.
I'm 32.
How long does it take to get to Georgia?
How long does it take to get to Georgia?
What's the temperature?
What's the temperature?
Near the bank.
Near the bank.
It's very cold today.
It's very cold today.
It's $17.
It's $17.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment. You can write your suggestions and requests in the comments. Let's continue. I'd like a single room.
I'd like a single room.
Where is there a doctor who speaks English?
Where is there a doctor who speaks English?
More than 200 miles.
More than 200 miles.
Did you send me flowers?
Did you send me flowers?
What's the name of the company you work for?
What's the name of the company you work for?
My luggage is missing.
My luggage is missing.
Not recently.
Not recently.
Is Mr. Smith an American?
Is Mr. Smith an American?
I don't want it.
I don't want it.
I forget.
I forget.
I'm going to leave.
I'm going to leave.
I don't speak very well.
I don't speak very well.
Do you understand?
Do you understand?
What time do you think you'll arrive?
What time do you think you'll arrive?
Please fill out this form.
Please fill out this form.
For how many nights?
For how many nights?
What's your address?
What's your address?
I have 2 sisters.
I have 2 sisters.
I'm okay.
I'm okay.
My watch has been stolen.
My watch has been stolen.
It depends on the weather.
It depends on the weather.
My father has been there.
My father has been there.
Do you have a problem?
Do you have a problem?
That's fine.
That's fine.
On the left.
On the left.
When is the next bus to Philadelphia?
When is the next bus to Philadelphia?
What is that?
What is that?
I have 3 children, 2 girls and 1 boy.
I have 3 children, 2 girls and 1 boy.
Do you sell medicine?
Do you sell medicine?
Is there a nightclub in town?
Is there a nightclub in town?
Are you busy?
Are you busy?
The food was delicious.
The food was delicious.
Good idea.
Good idea.
She wants to know when you're coming.
She wants to know when you're coming.
Have you seen this movie?
Have you seen this movie?
It's less than $5.
It's less than $5.
My stomach hurts.
My stomach hurts.
Which is better, the spaghetti or chicken salad?
Which is better, the spaghetti or chicken salad?
Can I have a glass of water, please?
Can I have a glass of water, please?
Am I pronouncing it correctly?
Am I pronouncing it correctly?
I don't like him.
I don't like him.
How do you spell it?
How do you spell it?
Hi, is Mrs. Smith there, please?
Hi, is Mrs. Smith there, please?
Please come in.
Please come in.
No, I'm American.
No, I'm American.
The book is under the table.
The book is under the table.
Take me to the Marriott Hotel.
Take me to the Marriott Hotel.
John is going on vacation tomorrow.
John is going on vacation tomorrow.
I need to change clothes.
I need to change clothes.
Why not?
Why not?
What day are they coming over?
What day are they coming over?